Next, Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Spearman rank correlation coefficient is given by rho, which is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n into n square minus 1, where d, which is equal to difference between the ranks, that is in pairs, right? N is equal to number of bird observations, given observations, right? Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for repeated ranks. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for repeated rank is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square plus m1 cube minus m1 by 12 plus m2 cube minus m2 by 12 plus etc divided by n into n square minus 1. So mi is the number of times an observation repeated rank, right, in the data for the both the variables. Features of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So first one, Spearman's rank correlation is nothing but correlation coefficient between ranks, right? Spearman's correlation coefficient in non-parametric or distribution free, right? That is non-parametric. Without parameter you can easily find, right? There is no parameter, right? Because there is no strict assumption to be made to form a population from which sample are taken, right? The sum of the difference rank between two variables shall be 0. So difference of the rank is 0, that is sigma d square equal to 0. Next, merits and demerits. So merits, even actual data are given, rank method can be applied for determining correlation, right? This method can be used when the data are of qualitative nature, like honesty, efficiency, intelligence, etc. Right? This is the only method that can be used where we are given the ranks and not data. Right? We are calculating the status of that. So when we are comparing two things, that is correlation. Which one is higher, which one is lower? So we are comparing, right? This method is very simple and easy to understand. Demerits for very large number of items, it will take time. This method cannot be used group frequency. So if it is a group frequency, you cannot apply. Spearman's rank correlation method is applicable in the following cases: when the distribution is not normal, when the behavior of the distribution is not known, only qualitative data are given, right? So procedure, method 1, ranks are not given. So if the ranks are not given directly for the data x and y, then the rank, the numbers in both the x and y separately, right? Highest number to the lowest number. So just you rank this. So highest number to the lowest number. So if the data is 40, 30, 31, 52 like that, so you take 52, 1 and 42. So you have to rank like this. It's starting from 1, 2, 3. Let it be Rx and Ry respectively. So rank of x Rx, rank of y Ry. Second point, calculate the difference between the ranks of x and y. Let it be d. So d is Rx minus Ry, right? Then calculate d square. Substitute all these values in Spearman's rank correlation formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. D is the difference between ranks, n is the number of bird observation. So method 2. Suppose ranks are given. So calculate the difference between the ranks. Right? Directly you can calculate. D is equal to Rx minus Ry. The first case there is no rank. So you have to find the rank and then find the D. Here the ranks are given. So directly you can find D square and substitute in the formula. Right? So next method, repeated rank. Suppose ranks are repeated, right? Suppose there is two numbers, for example 50, 50. So marks of two persons, so 100, 100. Then they are the first rank. So repeated ranks, right? Then give the corrected rank. to them by taking average. You take the average and then find difference, right? Calculate d square, then substitute in the formula. See, the formula is 1 minus 6 minus n into m square minus 1 summation d square plus summation m into m square minus 1 by 12, right? D difference between the ranks, n number of observation, m is the number of time a number repeated. How many times that number? So if suppose there are 3 persons get 100 marks, so 3 times repeated. That is one. M is the same thing, right? It is repeated number. So m is equal to 3 in this case, right?